Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to delete a coordinate system. So what I've done is I've opened up my project screen and I'm going to delete one of the custom coordinate systems I've already created. So I'm going to click on the info button here to open up my project details and then select my coordinate system menu. And then in my custom coordinate system here, you can see I have this test 11 system, which is a derivative of UTM-11, and I've messed something up horribly and it's not working like I expect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the three dots to the right of the name and info button, and then from the resulting menu I'm going to hit delete and then confirm the deletion by clicking yes, and there you go. I have deleted this custom coordinate system from my coordinate system list. But for now, that is everything in today's video. If you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.